Step into a world where fables come to life, where wisdom intertwines, and where the shepherd's heart beats within you, protecting your flock. Divine guidance, nurturing your financial journey. Erase financial worries. Conquer fraud and chargebacks. Lost, like mere hired hands running from the wolves of uncertainty, from ferocious financial threats. Embrace the shepherd's spirit, nurturing and protecting what matters most, guiding you towards safety. Guardian of your hard-earned cash. No longer just a hired hand, but a guardian who never abandons your precious flock. Confidently managing finances, making informed decisions. Seize command. Witness financial growth. But beware. The wolves may still lurk. Fear not. Safeguard your journey of success. Watch as the wolf retreats, leaving your flock secure and thriving. Your guardian angel. Discover the essence of every penny earned, pound saved, and security measure in place. Celebrating financial achievements. Build a future that's secure and abundant. Unveiling new pathways of payment channels. Embrace the wisdom of security. Embrace the shepherd's way. SOTpay. Secure, comply, protect.